Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a to-do list inside Clickup in the updated 2026 layout. It's really simple, so yeah, here's how to set it up. First, choose where your to-do list will live. You can use any space you want. Inside that space, click Add List and give it a name like To-Do or Daily Tasks. Now start adding tasks with the Add Task button. Type whatever you need to get done. If a task has smaller steps, open it and add subtasks to break everything down. For a simple workflow, keep statuses like to do, doing, and done. If you want something even lighter, use checklists inside the task. Then add due dates, reminders, or priorities so ClickUp can notify you when things are due. You can switch between list view, board view, or calendar view depending on how you like to see your tasks. On mobile, just tap the plus button, add a task, and it syncs instantly. And that's it. That's how to create a to-do list in ClickUp for 2026. Quick, clean, and super flexible. Thanks for watching, and I'll